Babanga ngelithi uShell khange afake isicelo esifanelekileyo ukuqubisana nokusinqongileyo. Kodwa uShell uphendule ngelithi ulandele yonke imigaqo-nkqubo yokuqhuba nalo msebenzi kwi-Wild Coast.
We welcome the decision. We continue to be very aware of public sentiment around this. And we continue to do the best that we can to assure the public that we'll be extremely responsible when we conduct this seismic survey.
Imibutho efake isicelo ivakalise ukuphoxeka sisigqibo senkundla.
A very disappointing outcome, very unfortunate, particularly because the judge did not recognize the urgency of this interdict.
Greenpeace Africa will continue to support the nationwide resistance against Shell and to pursue the legal avenue to stop Shell.
Kodwa elidabi lisaqhuba. Illegal Resources Center nayo isingise enkundleni ngenjongo zokunqanda ukombiwa kwerhasi neoli.
We've learned a lot more about the impact of seismic surveys, and none of this has been considered by Shell because they don't think they need to do any further study.
The focus for us is whether or not our regulatory framework is robust enough to protect any impact that these seismic surveys have on the environment. And we believe that indeed we've got a robust regulatory framework. So we're looking forward to the debate around that, the merits of our argument on that.
Oluvavanyo lokukhangela ioli nerhasi kulindeleke luqale kwintsuku ezimbalwa ezizayo. Kwindaba ze SABC ndikulwando nomoyi ndiseGqeberha.